Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big Maharagya Devi kudos and congratulations to you. Happy Jista Devi Ashtami, Maharagya Ashtami. And then today is 20th June 2018. We have been just trying to understand the beauty of this place. Kheer, as I told you, Kheer Bhavani is the name of the goddess here, and kheer and milk are offered in this place. You know, ladies and gentlemen, then this is the Sarovar, this is the spring here, and then this color of the spring changes from time to time. If it is red, that means something bad is going to happen in Kashmir or with the Kashmiri Pandits. You know that in 1990 the color of this place was red, and that's why, you know, ladies and gentlemen, Kashmiri Pandits had to face the havoc and they had to leave the Kashmir. And ladies and gentlemen, just quickly going around this, you can just see that there is sheer chai on this side, on that side, which is being just very nicely being distributed. Sheer chai, kahwa, and of course, you know, that sheer chai, kahwa and Lipton chai, and then ras and other things. This person has been singing for a very long time. Just see that these ladies are giving a very dedicated service. God bless them, God bless them all. This is a ladies show, this is a ladies service to the Maharagya. And ladies and gentlemen, I just want to take you around and just give you a feel of the place, or the feel of the dedication and the bliss and the energy that is flowing right from this place, and that energizes, one time coming, energizes the whole body and mind and soul. So the people throng here, they come in thousands on this very important day. You just see that the cleaning of the utensils by this women army, women folk. They are doing theirs. I feel that somebody was telling that they are from Nagbandi. Let's go around, ladies and gentlemen, and just see what else is in this beautiful place. Walk with me and around this place and find out what else is the beauty of this place. The best part about this cache is that everybody is on the same page. The ego is gone. Everybody is sitting on the same ground. Daisy is there. Of course, Daisy is sleeping, people are sleeping, people are joking, people are listening, people are eating, and people are, but with one devotion. The devotion is to the goddess Maharagya. Just see, ladies and gentlemen, these are the tents where the people are sitting and sleeping. There are some people who are here for days together. The people are here 24 hours. Just, ladies and gentlemen, I'll just show you that there is a chakri party. Chakri party means that these people are, I feel that, Muslim brothers who are just, since morning, they are, you just see that they are singing and entertaining. The people here, thousands and thousands, are sitting here. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. So ladies and gentlemen, just see that these Kashmiri Muslims also have stepped in. They have also come here in the place and at the feet of Maharagya, and they are entertaining their Kashmiri Pandit brothers and sisters who have been living with them for thousands of years. You need to understand that Kashmiri Pandits and Kashmiri Muslims are the two sides of the same coin, and Kashmir is incomplete without Kashmiri Pandits who have left Kashmir in 1990 and are now coming in search of their lost home. So ladies and gentlemen, these chants are all in the name of Maharagya, and from Tulmula, you know that from GANDERBAL, all these Kashmiri Muslims have joined in this religious festivity, and all the Kashmiri Pandits who have thronged from different parts of the world, we just see that left their ego and being on the same ground, rich or poor, destitute or happy, you know that they are standing on the same plank, on the same ground, no hesitation, just enjoying and just being here just to see the blessings of the goddess, you know, Maharagya. Just taking you quickly, ladies and gentlemen, around this is the place where you can have lucha, where you can purchase nadar manja, and you can, of course, ladies and gentlemen, purchase these things, you know. So ladies and gentlemen, you are having... Hey Shivanji! Namaskar! Namaskar! So you have just seen that this Shivanji was also there. Ramji is his father, and this has come down to him after the sad expiry of his father. You just see that there are people who are doing something. This is also one of the jobs that's going on. Ladies and gentlemen, you just see that some people are busy with different things. And then let's go around and see what makes this Mata Kheer Bhavani special. It is, of course, a lot of improvement. This is clean, and there's a lot of support from the Muslim brothers also. And then, of course, they are mesmerized also, because they see that of course they are surprised. They want to understand and feel that what this Kashmiri Hindus Pandits meant, and how they were also conducting for the last 5,000 years here, and they want to be a part of it. They want to join and just support the religious festivities. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, that different people are doing different things, enjoying life, and then supporting. These are the rooms which are provided, the hall, and of course you just see that these are the rooms which are let out to the Shraddhalus, to the people who visit this place. They are with a lot of facilities also. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, these were the sevaks. They were going on since morning, and they were distributing the prasads, they were distributing the lunch, dinner, and everything. So ladies and gentlemen, I wind up here. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you. God bless. God bless you. Huh? Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.